Get on the ground!
Like we're trying to let go. 1050. 1050.
Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got an absolutely insane pursuit in Fond du Lac County, Wisconsin that ends with the suspect literally jumping his car over another vehicle on an off-ramp. This started as a routine traffic stop for a felony warrant and turned into a 4.5-mile chase with the most dangerous ending I've seen in a while. Let's watch together and see how this unfolds. Let's check it out.
Coming up to Pioneer on Military.
I copy Pioneer Military.
Through the intersection, passing Fleet Farm on Military. 016. Turning to the Fleet Farm parking lot.
Step farm.
1216 are approved. Yeah, request sections for the
Coming back out on the Pioneer, I'm with State now.
I copy back on Pioneer.
6986. You want me to call it? Yeah, that works. 69. So northbound coming up to Johnson Street.
one. Well, you can't find out what the warrants for.
Speed direction.
690 is driving in the wrong way of traffic. Coming up to Johnson. He's going to be going westbound on Johnson Street.
Copy westbound on Johnson.
Northbound 41 if we can get somebody at 4116. Alright, northbound, going under Scott, East 110, left lane. Traffic is still light, roads are dry. Like no, 1050. 41 in Winnebago. Oh! Over Winnebago. Let's get in this rolling right away.
Not for right, copy. Crash show Winnebago.
Coming in the core of 41 and Pioneer. Running on foot, white shirt, black pants, black male. Over here with the dog. He's running northbound, white shirt, black pants. On Pioneer. Get on the ground!
Northbound last 500.
Get on the ground!
Behind! Arrest. Do not resist.
Hey, yes, sir. Hello, hey, yes, sir. Hello.
Let go. Dude, stop!
I can't breathe.
Stop!
I can't breathe. Stop, please. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
75, 195 kg. Right now.
No, hold on, sir. My breathe. Hold on, let me get my. Hold on.
Ambulance and fire
Hold on.
respond to in front of Aurora.
Hold on. Hold on, sir. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
What's in the vehicle you don't want us to know about?
Ain't about no vehicle, man.
Okay.
I was trying to wonder why he was taking so long, man. I have to get up to Albertson.
Stop talking.
You guys, do the next one, copy.
That's my girl's car, man. Is that work? You on the phone? The phone.
Dispatch to all units, we do have EMS and fire.
You on the phone?
That way in front of Aurora.
Put her on.
Yeah.
Response to
Go over to this side. Keep your leg out.
Clinic, VX squad, federal parking,
I have nothing on my
fire, EMS to their location,
Sit up.
came out 938.
Bria, that's my son. Bria. Is Tiffy on the phone? No, I didn't tell you.
This 44-year-old Milwaukee man was out on a $5,000 signature bond for stealing a car when he led police on a 4.5-mile chase that ended with him jumping his vehicle over another car. He was charged with fleeing eluding, first-degree recklessly endangering safety, felony bail jumping, resisting obstructing an officer, felon in possession of a firearm, and possession of marijuana. He was originally wanted for operating a vehicle without owner's consent, basically car theft, and was out on bond when this happened. The jump over Winnebago Street with a car passing underneath is one of the most reckless things I've seen. If the timing was off by 1 second, an innocent person would be dead. This is why fleeing from police carries such serious charges, because suspects make split-second decisions that endanger everyone around them. The officers handled this professionally, stayed back during the pursuit to avoid escalating his driving, and caught both occupants on foot without further incident. What do you think? Should bond requirements be stricter for repeat offenders? Drop your thoughts below. Like and subscribe for more body cam analysis. I'll catch you on the next one. Stay safe out there.